Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Coily 3-in-1 Half Wig from HerGivenhair. Hair texture is 3C to 4A. The hair length is 16 inches. I love how spacious this wig is, and it comes with 4 combs. The texture is amazing and matches my hair perfectly. I can glide my fingers through it with no problems and no tangles. Perfect spacing in between each width. I love this silk bag because this is where I store my wigs. It comes with wig instructions, extra clips, and a letter. This is the hair after it's been washed. It's so pretty. I took my hair down from some old flat twists, and now I'm just about to apply this wig. The back of my hair is in a low bun. I don't even have to blend. This wig matches perfectly. I really could have left this wig as is, but I wanted to do a little bit more razzle dazzle. I'm just playing around with the clips, trying to get it perfectly adjusted to my head. It is not tight at all. I'm just combing through the hair, and you see how my comb glides through the hair? Like, this is amazing. A quick little length check for you, because this piece used to be so short, and I do have shrinkage, so I just want to show you where it stretches to now. Use a mousse of choice. I love the Camille Rose. I'm just going back in with some more water, and then I'm gonna go in with some mousse. I like to use this tangle teaser after I comb out my hair as well. You can already see the difference from the left side from the right. I am using the Lottie Body Mousse on the hair. I'm going to continue this whole process through my whole head. The last step is using this Miel Organics custard. I end up putting some in my real hair, and I realized it was a mistake. I should have left my hair in the twist out. So now I was just playing around trying to make it work. I finally got it figured out and got everything to blend perfectly. So I used Big Papa and Miel Organics, and I kind of just took some hair and I glided these products together and kind of separated them to get it really defined. After you get the product on there good, just separate the curls and kind of twirl it around your fingers, and you will have really defined hair. I added a few hair accessories just to spice up the style a little bit more, you know. This is the next day. The hair is still really defined. I was surprised that I could sleep on this hair. Like, this hair still looked like day one hair. I was very shocked. I wasn't experiencing any shedding, any tangling. It was very fluffy and easy to manage. I honestly love this hair. I do not have any cons at the moment. Like, I never had hair this easy to manage. So many people were complimenting my hair, telling me how cute it was, how pretty my hair is, and saying that they couldn't even tell it was a wig. So apparently this company is doing something right, because you can't even tell that I have on a hairpiece. I decided to get up and do some makeup the next morning, and this how it came out. It is super cute. I did sleep on this hair without a bonnet, but look, it still looks great. The next day, I just washed it. Overall, I would recommend this hair due to its versatility, easy to manage, no shedding for me, and I didn't have any tangles, so that's a plus. Bye guys, I'll see you on the next video.